friends, welcome back to IBS Tech channel. Hope you're fine. Now in this video I'm going to show you the live price change occurs in a Cardano in a previous last 1 hour, last 2 hour. What's the price changes, what's the high price of Cardano in a previous last 1 hour, I'm going to show you in this video. So before starting this video, if you listen my voice, so kindly hit the subscribe button now and hit my 3k subscriber. My wish to hit 3k subscriber, please help me and subscribe my channel. Please subscribe. Now let's see what the price change occur in Cardano in the previous last 1 hour, last 2 hour. First of all, we check the last 1 hour result of Cardano. What's going now currently in the market of Cardano? As you can see here, that's the last 1 hour result. As you can see here, that's loading. As you can see here, if you don't subscribe my channel, kindly hit the subscribe button. As you can see on the screen, there's a live price prediction of Cardano cryptocurrencies, as you can see on the screen. So first of all, we look the chart of the Cardano in the last 1 hour. The chart tells us that the Cardano falls down in the last 1 hour, and currently they don't recover their own place. As you can see here, that is the average level of the previous last 1 hour, as you can see here. And now the currently level of the Cardano as that, as you can see here, as that. So it doesn't recover their own place in the last 1 hour. It's a falling time of Cardano in the last 1 hour. As you can see here, the changes is in negative 0.34% change occur in Cardano in the previous last 1 hour. And the high price of Cardano is, oh my god, it's really a bad price. As you can see here, is $1.2 is the high price of Cardano in the previous last 1 hour. Now let's see what's the price prediction in the last 2 hour in a cryptocurrencies markets of Cardano. Oh my god, oh my god. After a great falling, they take a little jump and show us that I'm going in the jump. That's not a jumping of Cardano, as you can see on the screen. They also fast down from a very high place, and now the currently place, as you can see here, I'm understanding you on the graph. That is the average level of Cardano, and now the currently level of Cardano is about that. So it's changes in the Cardano, as you can see here. That's changes in a Cardano, as you can see. That's this distance is a change in Cardano, and the last 1 hour, as you can see now on the screen. So if we look the price changes of Cardano, so the changes as a negative 0.78% occurs in a Cardano in the previous last 2 hour, and the high price of Cardano is about $1.2 is the high price of Cardano in a previous last 1 hour. So that is the live price prediction of last 1 hour, of last 2 hour. You are watching now on IBS Tech channel. I am updating you from every cryptocurrencies markets. What's the rate in the market of this cryptocurrencies currently last 1 hour, last 2 hour. So I'm going to show you on this channel. So please hit the subscribe button now